Recently, after a great effort, the machine transport team successfully relocated a large Green Mech brand 2-axle tree bark peeling machine from Quang to BINH PHUoc over a distance of more than 700 kilometers. This machine is about 15 meters long, 2 meters high and weighs a staggering 17 tons. To be able to move such a large machine, workers had to work with large crane systems and had to mobilize 2 cranes along with a large container truck to transport it to the new installation location. The Green Mech tree bark peeler is a leading device with advanced technology, designed to peel tree bark quickly and effectively. With 2 specialized spindles, the Green Mech machine not only improves working speed but also ensures that the wood inside is not damaged, providing high-quality wood products after peeling. After the peeling process, the Green Mech wood chipper can help you convert raw wood into clean wood chips, suitable for uses such as furnace burning or export. With Green Mech, you not only save time and labor costs, but also improve production efficiency through advanced technology and durable design. Green Mech is a unit specializing in manufacturing wood industry machinery, such as wood chipper, wood crusher, and bark peeler. If you are interested in a tree peeler or wood chipper, Green Mech's team of experts is ready to help you find the most suitable solution for your specific needs. Please contact us immediately via phone number 094-110-8888 for the best advice and support. Choose Green Mech. Choose high-quality solutions for the wood industry. Dear friends, so we have finished exploring the video together about how people transport super huge things weighing tens of tons. Thank you for taking the time to watch and support the video. If you find this video good, please always support us by pressing the channel subscription button in the right corner of the screen and the bell icon next to it to be an audience updated with the channel's latest videos. Now, hello and see you again in the next videos.